Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track AM radio out of a 68 Dodge Super Bee. This comes from Felix in Alamosa, Colorado. You can probably tell by the unit's external appearance that it's been through some rough times. We got a lot of bubbling on the chrome faceplate, a lot of corrosion on the inside, and we also have a gear in the tuner that's got a crack in it, and nobody makes those gears anymore, and unfortunately I don't have a unit from which to salvage the part from. So in order to cure that, only thing you can do is get another unit and salvage the tuner out of it. It does work, and it tunes in all stations. It's just got a hitch every rotation of the gear. You get this little hitch because of the separated tooth, and it causes it to hang up just a little bit. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
One of those is online reporting.
Okay, and while we got it on talk radio, let's demonstrate balance control.
Attention. This can be accessed through the town website. Please read the instructions to see if the online reporting system can be used for the crime you are reporting.
Prescott Police spokesman officer.
And since this is now a 4-speaker radio, or at least it's got 4 speaker outputs instead of just 2, we also have a virtual front-rear fader, which is in the tone control. And I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust that right now. Going to take our tone control to about the center position, give it 2 upward turns.
Emergency dispatch line.
Fader adjust.
Okay, and now we use the same control to adjust our front rear speaker balance. All the way front, all the way rear, front, rear, and center of the speakers.
The Prescott Valley Police Department wants public comment as a
fader is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes. I think this has got Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Wednesday and Thursday.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you heard that, so the Bluetooth's working properly. Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I'll just go on down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
La vocación. Quizá hemos hablado sobre el
sovereign nation waging a war against Ukraine.
Magic in the air. Now when I walk the streets,
I made it 21.
and you'll never be what is in me.
Building your nest egg for your next big...
Will be discussed by the Prescott City Council.
Okay, so there's our FM. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Ready. Pull the tape out, the radio comes back. Okay, let's make sure the dial light works. And it does. Nice soft green glow. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and you've just seen how I can add FM to an AM radio, and of course fully service the 8-track section and all that cool stuff. This comes from Felix in Alamosa, Colorado, and thank you, Felix, for your business all the way from Colorado. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below and download and print the work order, which you're going to have to do anyway. when you send the radio in, and the work order will have all my options, prices, including options for turn times. It'll answer all your questions as you're filling it out. So please have a work order in your hand before calling me with questions, because that just takes me off the bench for no good reason. It upsets the quality of my workmanship, and obviously I can't let that happen. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Felix, for your business from Colorado. We'll see you guys next time.